Every respectable garage should have one of these. A retractable wheel for your power cord. This is the most useful thing that you could ever spend your money on. Let me show you what's in the box. It's gonna replace an old one that I have up there that is really, really short, and even though it's very useful, it doesn't reach where I need to. I'm gonna install it up there and then test it out real quick. It can be mounted on one stud or it can be mounted on the wall. So there are two ends to it. This one plugs into an outlet, heavy duty on the other end, and there's a built-in breaker. This is 60 feet. It mounts on one stud on the ceiling, or you could mount it on two studs or some kind of like a plywood, and this one will slide over here once you bolt it in there. But I'm going to install it just on one stud, find the center, put it up there. Here's the comparisons between the two of them. This is flimsy $20 one. This is a lot more quality. Very strong over here. I'm going to plug it in and organize the cables that way so they don't get into the way. Zip tie them nicely up here, and then we're going to test drive it real quick. So here we go. It's hooked up, clear indicator over there that there is power on it. It's plugged in. Now it's as simple as just grab it. And I am in the street, halfway in the street. What the? This is how long it is. It's halfway in the street. That's crazy. And it goes all the way back in by itself. When you're done, it has some strength to pull it up, that's for sure. Another thing that I like is that it has lights over here, so it tells you that it's under power. And this one, it's not straight, it's split like this, so you could fit more compared to a regular one, where sometimes stuff doesn't fit. I'm very happy with it, and it's really, really heavy duty cord compared to the other ones that I have. This is really nice. I'm very, very pleased by this brand. Very nice. Excellent thing for my garage. Excellent.